Response of soil insects to invasive plants in the Ukrainian Carpathians. Climate and land use changes lead to a wide spread of highly invasive species in the Ukrainian Carpathian Mountains and adjacent areas. It threatens a large number of European value habitats like floodplain and dry old-growth forest, alluvial habitats and wet-dry meadows. Over 40 invasive species are listed for the Ukrainian Carpathians. Almost half of them are highly invasive, which penetrate natural habitats and modify them. Invasive plants can disrupt a range of trophic interactions in native insect communities in many ways. They can have positive and negative direct and indirect effects on herbivorous insects, including these what provide pollination services. As a novel resource, they can affect the performance on native insect herbivores and their natural enemies such as parasitoids and predators, which can lead to the host shift of these herbivores and natural enemies. Through the release of volatile compounds and by changing the chemical complexity of the habitat, invasive plants can also affect the behavior of native insects. Exotic plants species often negatively affect native herbivores due to the lack of palatability of the invading plants. Our studies that compare insects to related native and invasive plants in invaded habitats show that abundance of insect herbivores is often lower on invasive plants, but the damage levels are similar. Invasive plants can influence the spatial and temporal dynamics of native insect metapopulations and communities, ultimately leading to the changes at the landscape level.